it's Epic here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you guys another cooking video on channel 3, which is our cooking part of Epic EOTV. And I'm so excited because I haven't done a cooking video in a long time and I'm so excited for this video. I've been planning this for a while. Basically what we are going to be doing is we are going to be making a breakfast idea, a lunch idea, and a dessert idea all out of tortillas because tortillas are the best. So before we get started, make sure that if you haven't already, you subscribe down below to join the hashtag EpicElFam, and also to give this video a big thumbs up for cooking videos because I really enjoy it and I think that you guys really enjoy it too. Also make sure that you go and watch last week's video, which is going to be right up here in the corner. Basically what I did is I had a Wii Party Olympics. It was really fun, so you guys should totally go and check it out. There will be a link in the description. And without further ado, let's get on into the video. Let's go! The first recipe that we are going to make is, first you're going to need a tortilla, and then you're just going to put some honey all over the bottom of your tortilla. I'm just going to be doing it. Oh, oops, I forgot to take off the safety seal. Oh well, it was new honey anyway. Then I'm just going to squeeze it out, just covering a little bit of a layer of honey, just like that. Then I'm going to take some blueberries, and yes, these were open. I was just having trouble opening it. And I'm just going to put a little layer of blueberries on the bottom. Then I'm going to get some apple slices, and these are already sliced, and then I'm just going to put those on the bottom too. I'm going to be essentially creating a layer of fruit, and then I'm going to be doing some raspberries too. And then to top it all off, I'm going to add another layer of honey just to kind of seal everything in. Then I'm going to fold it like a burrito by just going like that and folding the two corners in, and then doing this so that it looks like a burrito, if you can follow that along. And what I like to do is I just like to seal it with some honey so that it doesn't fall all the way apart, and you are done. This is so delicious. Okay, so now it's lunchtime and you also want another yummy tortilla snack for lunch. This next one is really yummy and a few of these things are optional that I'm going to put on. First, I'm going to put a layer of hummus on the bottom of my tortilla. This is just going to kind of give it a base, just kind of like the honey was in the last one. It's not going to cover the whole thing, but just do as much as you can. Next, I'm going to add some turkey, but you can skip this step if you don't want any meat on it, but this is what I wanted for my wrap. You can also have ham or any other things like that, or you could just skip this step completely. But that's just what I wanted, and I actually use this the next day for lunch. Then I'm just going to add a mixed salad on it, and I'm picking out some of the things on it because I'm trying to flatten it out a little bit because this needs to be a good wrap. Here we go. All flattened out. Next, I'm going to fold in the sides like we did before. Then I'm going to just fold it like a burrito, like so. And you are done. Then you can put it in your lunch and enjoy this for your lunch. And the moment that you've all been waiting for, it's dessert time. So what we are going to do first is we're just going to take some Nutella, and I'm going to spread a pretty thin layer over my tortilla because I didn't want to overpower it, but you can try substituting this for melted chocolate or anything that you guys want. Then I'm just going to peel a banana, and then I'm going to break it in half because bananas aren't usually straight, so I want to make it as straight as possible by just lining it up in a line. And you can also add some honey to it. This actually tastes really good, and I enjoy this dip too. Then instead of folding it like a burrito like you normally would, instead you are going to put the bananas on the top right here, and then you're just going to roll it up just like a normal wrap. And you're done. It's so yummy. And you can enjoy this for any dessert, anytime. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to join the #EpicOwlFam. I'll see you guys next Wednesday for another awesome video. See you guys. Bye!